This place is going to be filled with cars before the day's out.
What's that?
So this place is going to be full of cars before the day's out, I think.
I would hope so.
Now we're going to go get some breakfast. Breakfast buffet, $10. Hi. Yeah, hi. Scrambled eggs, good. I love eggs.
Scrambled eggs are good for you.
Some more?
Good.
Oh, this is good.
You're welcome.
And how about some corned beef hash?
Some what?
Corned beef hash?
Yeah, why not? Yeah, let's try anything.
It's a 50-50 thing, I find. We're used to Saturday night, but Saturday morning is like...
There we go.
Yeah.
And that's
Yeah,
real
this-
stuff.
There we
Come
are.
on there, thank you. What's that, syrup?
That's all right. We'll wipe it off.
Keep trying to wipe that off because it's all right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Don't want to get too much.
Yep.
Sausage link, sir?
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Throw a couple of them right
And some
there.
corned beef
Try
hash?
some of that.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
I got this per buffet and she was running. You did not click line and say,
Well, I was going to get you a juice. That's all. Can I get a...
Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you.
It's $10 a pop.
Okay. That's breakfast. Yeah. So this is breakfast. Everybody's here enjoying themselves. I'll say hi. Coffee.
Make sure to like and subscribe. If you're having
Why didn't they let us sit here? This looks like it's a lot more comfortable.
It's for the fancy.
Oh, that couch is nice.
Neat, huh?
Yeah.
I'm ready to get some fresh air.
we're all good, I think.
Neat, huh?
Yeah. Kaiser Traveler.
I know I had to do an alignment to one of these. Came out of Bridgeton or something.
Very
I think it
few
was the
people do
smoothest
them.
shifting on the tree side. And
Oh, look at you.
yeah.
The name suits her.
Yeah.
Because the puppy feels more confident.
'62
You would
Corvette.
have to buy something like that.
Yeah, I can't give you one of those, sorry.
I know, right? He's already given you a couple cars, damn.
Hey,
I only gave Emma one.
yeah, I know. I'm going to have to give her another car. And I'm done with the Subaru.
Subaru.
Why a Subaru?
You don't like Subaru?
I don't mind them, but I would prefer it to
Why are
be
you always
blue.
holding this weirdo?
I don't know. She just likes
Make it
holding
look like
Dad's
he's your
hand.
boyfriend.
She wants to make sure I don't run away. I
Yeah.
guess she's afraid I'm going to take off one day.
Go
you
get the
know?
milk and if we come back.
Yeah, see, there you
Yeah,
What the hell?
go. Her mother must have her scared or something.
yeah.
No,
Terrified
I guess
her
she's
as she
been
was little.
talking to mom.
She terrified her when she was little.
Instagram or
So.
something.
Yeah.
What was it you were talking to mom on? Sis. Was it? What was it?
There we go.
So quiet. Yeah.
Reminds me of yours. I
Yeah.
missed yours. I got the ride in yours, but last.
Yeah,
I think so. I remember the bed looked so similar.
yeah. Nice. If I have to get the other one finished, we can ride in that. Maybe I'll give it to Emma
Yeah.
when I'm done. I got to give her something else old. Oh, hey, he's competition. That ain't fair.
Yeah, I know, right? It's supposed to be trucks.
Yeah, put them in trucks. Put them in trucks. We don't need the competition.
No, I
Yeah.
guess he's not gonna. He's gonna turn around.
Is he going
No,
straight
he's
lines
gonna
with us?
park here. He wants to be on the end of the row because they get the most votes, right? 4TE. Oh, it's a 40. I get it. 4T.
What's it? Yep. Oh, there's another one. Get any more than that
Yeah.
one.
Okay. The street rods are showing up now.
Yeah.
That's that 38 Chevy?
Yeah. 37?
No, it's 38. 37. The grill teeth go the other way.
Oh, the gill teeth go the other way. The 38.
I had a 37. That was my first car.
Oh, nice.
$15.
There you
Yeah.
go. Now it's probably about
think
15,000
Yeah.
or more.
It had no rust or nothing on it.
Yeah.
I bought it when I was 16 years old.
Yeah.
15. I didn't, what I would say, going to school. So I was going by and the guy that owned it was down the street. I kept looking.
My favorite kind of truck, except that I don't know what that is down there. Maybe it's one of those things that's supposed to scare the deer off before they cross the street. Oh, look at that, a sunken antenna. Perfection. I've never had a perfect 40 Ford. I don't know if I ever want one either. More fun to paint them flat black and drive the hell out of them.
Here's a song by
This is the truck row pickups. And this is the 4x4s. A nice old Dodge Power Wagon. Doesn't look like the original engine. Gotta get a step ladder to get a picture of the interior.
I say I'm probably one of the few people in the world with a picture of another guy's Jeep on his.
Yeah.
And I am going to find that guy. 'Cause I
Yeah.
got that picture online.
Oh yeah. Get the hood. Big wheels keep on turning. POW, MIA. All gave some gave all.
You a veteran? A veteran? The reason I...
They were just west of the big fire. Within 10 miles. She was sending me pictures of what's been going on out there. And her, this son
Here's the one that you got to see. I covered it last time, but in case you didn't see it last time, it's a Corvette with a Ford Flathead V8 supercharged, even 2 carburetors, and it's called Justice because of all the Fords that had Chevy engines, I guess. Got a bullet nose Studebaker, 1951. Starlight coupe. Back window wraps all the way around. Side windows and back window are all one window. Well, 4 pieces, I guess. But and then this thing. I think it's a King Midget. Let's see. Mini something replica. Mini Mite. Hey, somebody put the motor in sideways.
One more lonely night. If I could only fly.
It's a Crown Vic 59 Impala, 2-door hardtop. Beautiful car. 55 or 6 Pontiac, not sure which. And the 56 Chevy wagon and a 51 Studebaker.
Oh yeah. It's old. They always wanted one. Any Corvette guy is an old guy.
And another 56 Chevy, and then there's this Chrysler 41 Buick. 2 carburetors, no, just one, I guess. They did have dual carburetors on these, but I guess it was an option. This doesn't have it. Then there's a Kaiser 41 Ford Coupe. And then there's Dana's car.
The bush was as tasty as they should be. And early that summer turned into
Kind of a tight squeeze in there. You can fit 2 people, but 3 people be crowded.
big meatballs.
Hi. These little pyramids.
They're ring stands.
And what?
They're ring stands.
Oh, you put a ring on them?
Yep.
Oh. That's interesting. You make all this stuff yourself?
I do. Yep, it's a
Wow.
2-part epoxy that I mix myself and then add any of the colors and additives. And
Yeah.
From California,
Yeah, it's interesting.
thank
New
you.
York Islands,
Earrings even.
Yep. Yep, I'm even wearing a pair.
Oh, yeah.
as I was walking that river high, I saw above me an endless skyway. I saw below a golden valley.
Mediocre at getting fat. Good at doing tricks.
Well, that's the border collie. We've
From
got 2 shelties.
California,
They're old.
New York Islands.
No, she was from Rhode. We were supposed to foster her for 2 weeks. That you don't see here.
The Ford left, the green 40 Ford, is gone. The 39 Chevy's still here. Looks like he's getting a vote.
How you doing,
We're
Al?
on. Doing good. And let's see, we got a 34 Ford pickup. And a 48 Chevy. Fastback body. I don't know if my window. I know it's a 34 because it says so. Because they didn't have a whole lot of difference between 32 and 33 and 34. I think the biggest difference is this thing on the back is different in those 3 different years, but I don't know which is which, but apparently that's what a 34 looked like, because I don't think they had that extra top piece on the rest of them. And this thing looks good, except it's missing the chrome strip on the middle of the trunk lid, so the door doesn't close. So that's the same. Yeah, imagine all the work that went into this so it wouldn't look like that. It's hardly worth it, isn't it?
What, the Pontiac?
Yeah, it's hardly worth doing that much work. So
Yeah,
this isn't
everyone
that,
likes the patina.
Yeah, people. My lens keeps fogging up because it's been on the ice. I didn't get the 60s yet. I guess I gotta walk that aisle.
Cool, I get to hang out with Grandpa.
Yeah, let's take a look down here at the 60s.
The blue one looks nice, the white walls.
Yeah,
I don't really know what it is.
yeah, that's a Falcon.
Ford Falcon.
Yeah, Ford, yep.
That's really good.
Oh yeah, it's the original 6-cylinder, 170 cubic inches. It's got a really nice interior.
Oh my god, that is
Yeah, beautiful inside.
You must have really garaged this a lot.
It's the Futura, I think. Yeah, it's the Falcon Futura. It's the deluxe model.
Oh wow.
Even had the fancy tricolour hubcaps.
The fender skirts.
Yeah,
I like fender skirts.
yep, they do look nice.
I can't even get over how that interior looks so pretty. God, must cost a lot. Yeah, that already kept it that way.
Well, they were economy cars when they were new, so they were cheap. You could buy a Mustang for $2,500, so this one was probably like maybe $1,500 or $2,000 when it was new. And then there's this Nova. I don't know what year it is. I think it's a 63. But it's got a later engine. Lots of chrome under there.
I like the silver one.
Yeah, it's a 64. Huh, Sid Page. That figures. And I thought I saw Sid Page wandering around here, but I didn't see his car. He's usually got a 65 Impala. Like that blue one there. Where is it? That one.
Oh, that's the Impala.
Yeah, he's got a white one of those.
This one. Just a show.
Super Sport 396. Wow.
It's got a 396.
Yeah, it says so right on the grill. It says SS 396.
Wow.
And it's a convertible.
Must be a nice ride.
Yeah, nice seats.
Yeah, those are really nice seats.
And then it must be Bonnie's car.
There's one nice Nova.
Yeah.
That's a 327.
Is it a 327?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was supposed to be pretty fast. Even better than a 350. And it's air conditioned. Sniff but don't scratch.
Yeah, I know. I shuffled on that one.
64 cars.
It's convertible too.
Yeah. They usually have the top down whenever I see this thing at another show.
What is it?
Galaxy 500.
Oh, it's a Galaxy.
It's the top of the line. Best one you could get that year.
Ford Galaxy.
And then there's
Is that what it is? Ford Galaxy?
yeah,
Oh, I thought so.
Galaxy
Ford
500.
Look at the center console looks so neat.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's so
Beautiful.
pretty. That's crazy. That's a 64. This is
Yeah.
a 64.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a 347.
Yeah.
So
347.
I guess that means that Nova's faster. Because that one's a
Numbers
327.
don't mean much.
Huh?
The numbers don't mean much. This is a 302 that was bored and stroked.
I didn't know. I thought you said that was faster than a 350. Then
Oh, 327? Yeah, 327 is nice. Hey, look, there's the old man.
The prettier cars.
It's Grant. It's Dad. Oh, he's anyway.
Special interest. I don't think we have a special interest, do we?
Hi, Dad.
I don't know. I didn't see it. I don't know where
Yeah.
it would be.
You know, they screwed up the voting.
That's a Ford.
306. What do you think, Dad?
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
To show?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Alright. Okay. I don't see a special.
That's
Nice. Yeah.
All right.
That's a 55. No, yeah, that's a 55.
Yep.
There's a Ford Fairlane over there. Don't touch it. Get out of here. Don't stop that! Oh my god! That's wrong. That's wrong.
You guys.
You're the one doing it. You're gonna get his camera off.
Where'd it go? Back.
Oh, where'd it go?
Oh, yeah. And now for something completely different is our entomology. Yeah, we'll try to get more insect videos on here sometime, but 'cause I know how people love
Very
those.
much. We are beyond reason. We're from here. Yeah, we're a little.
Look at that bugger go.
He's like, what is this on my head? This does not feel.
Oh,
He's
I think
getting.
my
He's
camera's
getting.
screwed up again.
Oh no!
Yeah.
He's getting confused by all the hair on my arm.
Yeah, I think it's a gremlin.
Yep, gremlin. Ugly. That's what it is.
Yeah. It's a gremlin. Another Nova Super Sport. Another SS.
They're both pretty Novas, though I'd have to go with the chrome rims over there.
Yeah. Couple of elk.
The chrome rims with the stripes look nice. See?
Yeah, that's kind of nice. Well, this guy's got black stripes,
Yeah.
but somehow they're not as pretty as the black and gray. A couple of El Caminos, Malibu type El Caminos.
Chevy El Camino.
What would you say? That's a 96 Mustang.
Oh, the Mustang, that's in. That was since '87.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of cars down here. There's a couple of more Mustangs.
What is that one?
I don't know what this Cadillac is.
I don't like that.
Cadillac convertible of some kind. See what it says here. It's a XLR.
It's not that.
I don't know what this thing is either. This is a Fiat
Oh.
124 Spider. Ah, now we're getting into the Mustangs. The Shelby.
Yeah.
I think that one's a Shelby too.
Oh yeah, Shelby GT. The same with this one.
Yeah. A couple of Shelby Mustangs. And the foreign cars are in the back row. Muscle cars are in this row. Here's all of them right here.
A Roadrunner. That's pretty cool.
What year is a 74?
Wow, look at the seats. The interior looks amazing, in my opinion.
Oh yeah, those are nice seats, huh? Nice console. Floor shifter and all.
What are these for?
Probably so come they can push you without hurting your bumper. I don't know. I guess they're push bars of some sort. Maybe for drag racing, you know, you push a car to start it. Just save weight by throwing away the starter motor. XKE. I've seen this around.
He's got the 12-cylinder.
Yeah, V12.
Whose is this?
The XKE Jaguar.
I said whose?
Whose? I don't know what does it say on that.
1972. It's rare.
Yeah.
Really?
Most of them probably cracked up.
Yeah.
For the speed. Bet the speed one goes 160, 180. Huh, it doesn't even. Oh, there it is. Yeah, 160. Same as mine.
You have one of these?
No, just my speedometer goes to 160.
My brother
Going
had
that
one.
fast, forget it. Unless it's a race car, right? I can do it.
Yeah, my brother had one of these, the V12.
Pretty color.
It is very pretty.
And he had all kinds of electrical problems. Finally got rid of it because the distributor went to hell and he couldn't find another V12 distributor.
These are V12s in this thing?
Yeah.
Damn. That's a nice Volvo. I didn't know
Volvo.
were this nice. I think they look nicer back then than they do now.
Yeah, I know. They used to make nice Volvos.
They used to make nice everything. That's the
This is
sad
a
thing. Now everything's just
914 Porsche. People hated these when they came out.
Yeah, I could care less about those.
Because compared to the 911, this looked like crap. Looked more like a Volkswagen or a Common Gear.
I didn't even know this was
why
a
nobody
Porsche.
liked them. But now they're getting scarce.
This is 1973. What was Porsche thinking in 1973?
Oh. Hey, look, there's the engine. Got two carburetors.
Man, they
Yeah.
really messed with Porsche too much.
And
Oh, this one's bigger than that one. Or are they just
they're both CR6. This one only looks bigger because you're closer.
Are they the same?
Yeah, I think they're the same thing.
Yeah, they're the same type of car. But there's several differences.
Oh, yeah.
What
look
in
at-
the world are you doing, Grandma? This ain't no place for your car.
Yeah, she's got
Get your Toyota,
got
Toyota
a-
out of here.
Toyota. It must go here somewhere. The foreign cars.
Oh, this This one has weird rubber things, unlike this one.
Yeah, this one's got the Solex carburetors. Those were junk.
They were?
Yeah, they didn't work. They,
Oh, neat. There's the battery.
yeah, yeah.
I didn't even notice. That's crazy.
Oh, yeah, that other one too.
I love the suicide hood.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Yeah, that's the thing that crapped out in my car.
What's that? Oh, the alternator? Yeah.
This one looks more built for like racing than this one. If you could tell, there's like subtle differences.
Yeah.
See how that one has like a guard thing under it? Under here, it's like for wind. See?
Yeah.
And that one's different. This one looks more like
Yeah.
looks more like a race thing one. Because see the bumper's different too.
Yeah, the bumpers are different.
It's like
And
more
then this
racing.
is MG. 52 MG TD.
This is pretty. I almost missed the replica we had of the MG.
Yeah.
This is such a fun little ride.
Yeah, this one's from the real thing.
A real thing. That's fast.
Yeah, that one that your old man had, I guess.
It was a replica. Yeah.
Yeah, the gas tank cover was a piece of fiberglass, and when Dana owned it, he had a fire in the back, and it melted the fiberglass.
Yeah, I remember that.
And he fixed it. I think it looked pretty good when he was done fixing it. I don't remember. It
The
being.
exhaust is different on both of them.
Hmm.
Wood Henry. I like the wood grain dashboards.
Yeah, this is getting hot. I gotta shut it off. Ford Mustang Cobra.
February 25th, before he died. February 25th.
Got a lot of stickers on the bottom of the hood. SVT Cobra. 9x952 of 2000.
What the heck motor is this?
I don't know. This is a pretty big motor. Look at the size of those valve covers. Jeez.
I know. It's kind of scary looking how big it is. It must move.
Team lethal. And then there's this.
Yeah, I know. In 1996, yeah.
1996
Back to
Chevrolet.
1996, nobody wants it here. Ugly piece of shit.
Yeah. Was it an unmarked police car or something? It looked kind of
I don't know what it is. But
plain looking.
looks
What
ugly.
is with the zip flashing? Yeah, I guess he had a leak there, huh? Looks like it was rusted through the roof.
Isn't it illegal to have friggin' tinted windows that are tinted that much?
Yeah, I think so.
So then why the hell does he have this? This is just
He
not.
probably doesn't get stopped very often.
If I was a cop, I'd stop his ass. What is this?
Silver
It's
Street.
Robley!
Probably. Sorry.
For God's sake.
Yeah.
Second place, Street Rod, Scott Chapman with a 1934 Ford pickup.
It was a better chance. There wasn't that many entries.
First place, Nick Jordan with a 1938 Chevy Coupe.
It's the second, third place I got with it this year.
Yeah.
Damn, I